Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for your time. Here we will present the result of the discussion from Group 3 regarding the country of Japan. Well, before we start the presentation, allow us to introduce the first member of our group, to myself, Komanovi Ariantini, Nikomang Lista Trisnawati, Nikomang Erlinda Darmayanti, Gede Yogi Diantara, and Komang Edi Arya Agus Panca. Oke, selanjutnya next. Okay. First of all, I will read the general background of Japan. Here, I have shown some pictures that are in accordance with the contents of the material from our group. Japan is one of the developed countries in Asia with its nickname as the Tiger of Asia. In accordance with this designation, Japan has penetrated other countries with several creations in the form of technology, locomotive, to the world of entertainment. Not with that, the country that has earned the nickname as the land of the rising sun has also created amazing work, namely manga and anime. Manga is the designation for Japanese comic work and famous animation such as Naruto and other which are commonly called anime. Next. In life in Japan, one of the most difficult things is talking out the trust. Please note that handling the disposal of water general in daily life different from country to country. In Japan, was divided into 4 categories: combustible water, non-combustible water, reusable water, and oversized water. The how to sort water and how often is collects also depend on where you live. Next. Besides that, even from a global perspective, Japan is arguably a country with many natural disasters such as earthquakes, typhoons, and heavy rains. In the event of a disaster, the most important thing is to get accurate information and immediately evacuate. Check the evacuation location in the local government of its prefecture, also to get information. Also check whether disaster information is available for foreign and multilingual call center. Next. Besides, many foreign workers living in Japan are worried about the unique Japanese manner in their daily life. Problem can occur due to cultural differences. For example, sound problem when inviting friends to gather at home and make noise. Other problem caused by burning incense or cooking food from a different culture, sitting on the street, eating on the go, etc. Things that are commonplace in your home country are other different in Japan. So, to stay out of trouble, you should try learning about Japanese social manners. Next. Japanese food. Number 1, sushi. One other typical Japanese food that is almost similar to sushi is called sashimi. The difference between sashimi and sushi lies in the rice. Sashimi is a pure raw food that doesn't need any additive, just enough soy sauce and or wasabi. Number 2, sashimi. Sashimi is made from sea animal and there are many types. There are even some seafish that are quite poisonous and can be used as sashimi. But take it easy, the chef who process the fish must have a license to be able to process it. Number 3, ramen. Besides that, ramen is a typical Japanese food. Ramen has many choice of flavors and can be enjoyed with chicken broth, beef broth, pork broth, and vegetable broth. The use of topping in ramen also varies depending on taste. Of all Japanese special, ramen is one of the most acceptable Japanese specialists to the Indonesia thoughts. For the next, it will be ready by my friend Lista.
Okay, education in Japan. Number 1, early education. From their small age, children are taught manner rather than since Indonesia itself from childhood is taught since for the future, which is very influential in the future of the children themselves. Sometimes their manner are still developing. In Japan itself, students will not take example until they reach the 4th grade of elementary school, which the Japanese themselves believe that at the age of small children, it will be more important to teach their manner and character education so that they have good moral, which this education continues to develop until they are adult. Number 2, academic year system. In Japan, they will start their academic year in September or October, where their academic year schedule will be divided into 3 parts, namely April 1st until July 20 years, September 1st until December 26 years, and January 7 years until March 25 years, in which students will get 6 weeks off in summer and 2 weeks off in winter and spring. And the most beautiful things is the entering the academic years in April, where the cherry blossom are in session. Number 3, cleanliness is a shared responsibility in Japan itself. Even school or high school, cleanliness is a shared responsibility where they clean the classroom together with allows them to socialize with each other as well educate their character. Will this habit has been instilled from childhood. Number 4, high attendance rate. A high level of attendance is Japan is indeed one thing that is very common, but we need to set an example. The student in Japan highly respect the extent education and teaching because it will be useful for their future education. Uh, for the next, will be read by my friend Erlin.
Okay, number five. Okay, number 5. The test that determines the future, the combination for someone to enter a school of university is very high and is a natural thing in Japan and Indonesia, where they competed to get started at the high school of university. They went because it greatly influences the future of the day study. Hard to get. Next. Number 6. Adequate learning facilities. School in Japanese really support their students to hone their skill both academic and non-academically, where open work or extracurriculars are held and sporting facilities are provided can support with equipment, for example, visible with a field and its all. Basketball with a fairly well maintained basketball court with sporting tools, or even extracurricular music or music lesson provided by the piano, recorder, and other musical instruments that provide opportunity of learning. Next. Next lista 7. Equation of degrees. Equality between people, even in Japan, this is very hard present, where even someone was greater while is lifted up and helped to move forward together because they all think they are family and brother, even though they are not of the same blood. Next. Egg independence from a young age. Elementary school and even kindergarten level, children are taught to go to school on their own without fear because security in Japan is very high. So friends don't have to worry about the safety of their children. For the next, it will be ready by my friend Yogi.
Okay, Japanese modern culture. The exit of modern Japanese culture which has been explained about must have something to do with history and how is modern culture can develop. Until now, the development of modern culture in Java began when Java opening up to the outs- outside world in 1858. Role as well as Japanese aristocrats began to introduce Japanese culture to Portuguese culture and fifth person. This caused cultural animation for explain a combination of Japanese sauce and wheat from the West. Both of these ingredients still exist and are popular today with are the basic ingredients for sukiyaki food. Next, up to a point Java again, but profit cultures such as America culture in the West and athlete and Central Asia. How, however, after World War One, the Japanese began to mix their culture with American and European culture. For example, Java began to import film, communist cartoons, and honor for for economy for a culture production until 1000 1970. Japanese economy was getting better and Java was able to produce its own electronic equipment. Sorry, screen-nya kok. Up to a point, Java again a big forget cultures such as American culture when he was an elite and central case. However, after World War II, the Japanese began to mix their culture with American and European culture. For example, Java began to import film, comics, cartoon, and other foreign culture products until 1970. Japanese economy was getting better and Java was able to produce its both electronic equipment as well as film, music, and comics until now. Japanese popular culture is still growing rapidly, especially with the internet. It can be seen the now a variety of modern Japanese products and culture are well known about net next Lisa. For example, namely anime which is increasingly global of even game consoles which are so popular with many people around the world with is modern culture being so popular the Japanese government government is utilizing modern cultural products as a professional even to attract tourists. The Japanese go- gomer- government also support popular Japanese culture by creating popular culture museum or certain landmarks. For net the for the next it will be read my friend Panche.
Okay, thank you, Yogi. Okay, I will to continue presentation of Yogi. Japanese traditional culture. Various form of traditional culture style service in Japan. Japan is country with a long history, more than 400 years. Have best haven't just counting from the Edo period and time when the culture flourished. The traditional and custom of the Edo culture live on even today in modern Japan. No is a form of masque that has been performed since the Middle Age. While kabuki may be more well known abroad, the North art form has a much longer history and arguably longer traditional. This art developed in the Saiyan period and become popular among the nobility. The nose tag has a backdrop of a painting of pine trees and is performed with not max. This art from West designed as an important intangible culture as of 9000 1957. Next, Bunraku, also called Ningyo Joruri, is a form of puppet there that present Japan. It's distinct feature from other form of puppet the theater is that its puppet is played by three three people. There is a head people who plays the head and has right. left puputer for left hand and foot Peter Y play both feet along with the pupitre is the joruri, traditional Japan musical form. Next, shadow is a ritual of preparing and service tea, starting from the time when the culture of drinking tea was first brought over from China. It developed uniquely into its present form in Japan. This ritual developed in the Sengoku period as a popular pastime among Bashi in Chakai, where as people drink tea, a lot of effort is put into selecting an arrangement of tea bowls, sweet flower arrangement, and hanging scroll in the room to enjoy the season. Kado, traditional Inscan ceremony. This is a traditional performing of art of appreciation the smell of burning in skin. Kado is said to have started as from far back as 500 years ago, but the way of enjoying the smell of burning fragrant wood is said to have started as far back as 1,500 years ago. Thanks for listening.
Okay, well, that's all for the presentation from group 3. Sorry if there are mistakes in reading the material. For the next time, I return to the lecture. That's all, and thank you very much.